Hey, what's going on? It's Michelangelo over at the V.A.W Company, LLC. And in this video, I just wanted to show you up close and personal how to use and install the V.A.W correctly. It's also known as the Vehicle Attached Wallet. So when you get your wallet in the mail, basically it's just going to look like this when you get it in the mail or delivery. And by the way, it's free shipping, okay? Just wanted to let you know it's free shipping. So you get this in the mail or get it delivered to your home for free. So this is what it's going to look like. Once you receive it, the V.A.W is going to contain 4 items, okay? First item is going to be your wallet, okay? Then after you get your wallet in there, it's also going to come with your display instructions of how to actually put the V.A.W onto your vehicle. Then it's going to come with the alcohol swab. And then it's going to also come with a T-shaped vinyl insert, which is going to separate your information, your driver's license, ID, insurance card, credit cards. Then you can put your money in the back there, okay? So the first thing you want to do when you get your wallet in the mail is, you see this alcohol swab right here? You want to take that alcohol swab out of the wallet, and then you want to thoroughly clean the surface that your wallet is going to attach to, which is going to be your windshield side post right here, okay? There's a Velcro strip that comes on the back of the wallet right here. You pull that off, and after you thoroughly clean the surface on your windshield side post, you attach that Velcro strip to that right there. So what you basically want to do is you want to allow that 24 hours to dry thoroughly, okay? You want to get a nice clean surface, but you also want that Velcro strip to stick on there thoroughly, because that's what's going to hold your wallet in place. Hence, vehicle attached wallet, okay? So it's going to come with 2 Velcro strips. One of them you place on the windshield side post. The second one, it already comes from the factory attached to the wallet, okay? So this just make sure that it will stick good on your windshield side post, so make sure you clean that good with the alcohol pad. So now after you allow the strip to dry for 24 hours, now you're ready to install your vehicle attached wallet. Like I said before, the second piece of Velcro has already been installed on the back of the wallet that comes from the manufacturer pre-installed. So it's ready to go. And then all you have to do is simply take that Velcro strip and place it on top of this one over here that you got on the windshield side post. And there you go. Hence, vehicle attached wallet. Now your wallet is stationary. It's in plain view. So for whatever reason, if you happen to get pulled over by law enforcement, you keep your hands on the steering wheel at 10 and 2. Everything's in plain view. He comes up from the side. He can see. He asks you for your information. You basically just reach to the left in plain view. You pull your information out of there. You give it to the officer. Or you can just pull the whole thing off of there and give it to the officer. And everything's in plain view. Simple. You can also take this on the go. So when you get out of the vehicle, you just simply pull it off. That little T-insert I was telling you about, you just simply pull that down, fold the tab back, and it covers the Velcro on the back side of the wallet, which allows you now to put this in your front pocket or your purse. Very convenient, very easy to use, very easy to install, and you can take it on the go. And when you come back to your vehicle, just simply pull this down, place this back on the Velcro, and put your vehicle attached wallet back into its natural position. Okay? So people, this is so simple. Your teenagers, your young adults can do it, and you can do it too. This is how you can show your valuable and important information during a traffic stop to avoid any altercation whatsoever with law enforcement. So once again, I'm Michelangelo over at the V.A.W Company, LLC. You can get your V.A.W today at Amazon.com. Just put in the search bar the V.A.W-vehicle attached wallet and place your order today. And remember, it might just save your life or someone in your family that you love. VehicleAttachedWallet.com. Speak with you soon.